To solve subarray. Here we are given array nums. We have to find the subarray with largest sums. Now, first thing, what is subarray? Subarray is the continuous part of array. Okay. Now, subsequence is the non-continuous, but subarray is the continuous part of the array. So in example one, these are the elements, and we have to find that part of continuous array which yields us maximum sum. So this part 4 minus 1, 2 and 1 will yield us sum 6, and that will be our answer. Similarly, for example 3, let's say 5, 4 minus 1, 7, 8 are the elements, and if we add all the elements, then only we'll get the maximum sum. So, and if there are one element only, then we return just that element, and that number can be negative also. So to do it, I will do it in order of n. So I create two variables, maximum so far and maximum till here. MSF is maximum so far and MPH is maximum till here. And maximum so far will be the very, let's say, small number, let's say int min in other language in C++, and very large negative number in the Python. Okay, and maximum till here will be 0 to begin with. I will traverse till the array for I in nums for each element. Now I will add this ith element to the MTH, which is maximum till here. It will yield the sum till this part, till current ith element. Okay. Now we will check if MTH is greater than MSF, which means the current sum, which is more than the overall sum. Okay, currently overall sum is very large negative number, but it will change as we progress in the array. If that is the case, then MSF will store MTH, because we don't want to store negative number, very large negative number. We want to store bigger numbers. And apart from that, if adding this, okay, if after adding this MTH is less than 0, then we will again re-initialize it with 0, since we want to get the maximum sum and not the least sum. Okay, just that, nothing else. We just return the MSF, and that will do our job. Let me submit it. Okay, giving wrong answer. Let me improve it. Okay, so I guess I have mistyped it. Now let's submit it. No, that's not the case. Yes, it solved, and see the time complexity. It is amazingly fast. Okay, even though the memory is less, memory is more because we are using additional space. That is why memory is more, but the time complexity is very less, because this question can be solved in order of n square, but we are solving in order of n. That is why we are getting less runtime. So I hope you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.